Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're dealing with display issues or just want a fresh start, resetting your Dell monitor to factory settings might be the perfect solution. In today's video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy guide to reset your Dell monitor. Let's dive in. First things first, locate the buttons on your Dell monitor. Typically, these are on the bottom edge or the right side of the screen, depending on your model. Now, press the menu button. This will bring up the on-screen display menu where you can adjust various settings using the navigation buttons. Scroll down to the other settings or reset option, depending on your model. Select this option and press OK. Once you're in the reset menu, choose Factory Reset and confirm your selection. This will restore all settings to their original factory defaults. After resetting, your monitor may flicker or go blank for a moment. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Dell monitor is now back to its factory settings, just like the day you unboxed it. If you are facing any display issues, this reset should help resolve them. Thanks for watching.